It was a crisp, clear, beautiful autumn day. Sir Topham Hatt stood in front of two of his favorite engines. "Thomas, Percy, we've been invited to Pumpkin Valley to help with the pumpkin harvest. It is a great honor, and I want you to work hard and be really useful." "Yes, sir," replied Thomas. "Oh, this will be fun. But guess what, Percy? I saw a trophy cup in Sir Topham Hatt's baggage. I think he is going to give a special prize today." "I'll bet it's an award for finding the largest pumpkin." "Are you sure?" asked Percy. "I think we're here to help gather the pumpkin harvest." "Oh, we'll get the harvest in, but I'm going to find the biggest pumpkin and win the trophy." Percy wanted to win a trophy too, but he knew that his job was to help pick up and deliver pumpkins. As he went to his first loading site, Percy could see Thomas busy looking for the biggest pumpkin. It was harvest time in Pumpkin Valley. Everyone was very busy. Everywhere he looked, Percy could see wagons filled with newly harvested pumpkins. Even the children were bringing pumpkins to be loaded on the train. Percy stopped to pick up his first load of pumpkins. They were lifted into the waiting cars by a big steam shovel. It took a while to load the cars, and while he waited, Percy worried that Thomas would find the biggest and largest pumpkin in the valley. Percy delivered trainload after trainload of pumpkins. Every time Percy stopped to pick up more pumpkins, he could see Thomas hurrying around in his search. He had to stop often for a drink of water. Thomas only gathered a few pumpkins. He was too busy looking for a large pumpkin to win the trophy with. Late in the day, Percy pulled up to the mill for one last batch of pumpkins. As he watched them roll off the conveyor, he was sad that there would be no time left for him to look for a big pumpkin. Percy delivered his last carloads of pumpkins. At the end of the day, Thomas and Percy met Sir Topham Hatt. "I'm afraid I didn't find any really big pumpkins," said Thomas. "I didn't find any big pumpkins either," added Percy. "I guess no one wins the trophy." "Oh, so you know about the trophy?" asked Sir Topham Hatt. "Yes, the one for finding the biggest pumpkin," Percy and Thomas answered together. "But there was never a trophy for the biggest pumpkin. The trophy is for the engine that worked hardest, carried the most pumpkins, and was really useful. And Percy has won. He carried more pumpkins than any other engine today. Well done, Percy." Thomas felt a little silly about his mistake, and sorry that he had wasted his time and not been helpful. But he cheered the loudest as his friend Percy carried his new trophy home to the island of Sodor.